This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jack Brundige. Braxton Creek is a maintenance-free community in an amazing location. This immaculate home features a lot of living space on the main level, including a great room open to the designer kitchen and oversized dining room, 3 bedrooms, including the owner's suite, another full bathroom, laundry room and a 12 by 15 covered deck. Upstairs is a large bonus room, another full bathroom and tons of storage. And downstairs there is 2,262 square foot of unfinished basement space with tall ceilings and lots of windows, which is a rare find in a home this new. For more information, review the details below or contact Jack Brundige at 865-693-1111.